So we're going to now look at the next section, which is show. And so again, I'm going to go down to my events and do when clicked, and then let's look at show. So this is LED, all shows the color red. I can choose whatever color and I can say it's going to do it for 10 seconds. And these are the colors that are actually on the top of the mBot. Or I can say LED left is red, and I could pull down and say right is blue. And then I can say play a note, and I could say for 2.0 beats. And then I can have it play a sound at a frequency for, let's do 5 seconds. And I can do it at whatever frequency hertz I want to. And then now I've used all of those. And here's where I want to make sure that it's done. And so I'm going to run this, and it's going to light up red in the front for like 10 seconds. You'll see the lights in the front of your mBot light up, and then it'll turn and it'll be different colors. And you can probably hear a little note that it's playing, and then it'll play a frequency sound. So it's going to go through that little process and then it turns off. And it did it because I clicked the flag. And so this is what it looks like to use the show section.